Ki Khubor ka Batesi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Yamaha. Visit Yamaha showroom for big discount and very low down payments only this August. Don't miss out. Contact 96129-51198 or 96129-51298.
Menteri Ketenat Puli Putih jong Sorkar Jylla rakam sangma haka hinyau terik unailar arajar arbusau ulai tu baka Sorkar Jylla Shen kan Plie no ya ke Shillong Engineering College kaban salong ka wei na ki Shlem ai jing hikai ya ki samla puli bakin dup pentebit bahaya dia haka baya dei ber ke jing puli engineer haka jing keren ber kilat patai kubor hadien ka jing jurip ya ke Engineering College kabadon ha Mawlai kenton masar Shillong rakam sang mau laong baka jing tei ya kani ka college kaladep bat kabasa menta kalong satang ban pentre kamno ulai thuru namar baka don ha pedeng ka jing wat bnia da ka AICTE ka Sorkar kampat la ban Plie ya kani ka college ulaong ru baka Sorkar ka khmilenti bakan sala ban sedang no yagi katto ka ni teligi course ha Shillong Engineering College ha ka academic session ka ban sawan But kani ka college kandon santaligi department bakantup ya ka subject civil engineering, mining, mechanical, electrical, but ka computer science. Shushu ula pentip ru bakani ka dai ka engineering college ka banengkong ha ka Jylla but ka Sorkar kala shim kia ba. Na ka benta ban thung ya ki nong trei khnang ban la ban sedang bentre kamno ya kani ka college.
No, yesterday on the 6th of August we had the fourth State Higher Education Council meeting yesterday. So we have been presentation. We have seen the presentation of all the project that has been taken off, and I'm extremely happy to see the progress and the improvement in the especially in the structure of the education sector, especially under PM USA scheme and RUSA. The NEC, the donor, the state projects, and many more. So we have seen lots of improvement in the last 5 years under the dynamic, able, committed leadership of Honorable Chief Minister Sir Conrad Sharma. We have seen lots of progress in the last 5 years, and that is, I'm extremely happy to see the progress in the infrastructure sector, especially in the education department, like to all the colleges, the higher secondary, right? We have seen lots of new buildings, be it the engineering college, be it the polytechnics, be it the higher colleges and all, right? And the state university and all, right? Yeah, and this afternoon, I, along with the principal of the Shillong Engineering College of Engineering, and secretary and the director, and technical and other officers have visited the construction of the Shillong College of Engineering at Mawlai, and we have seen the building is already completed, and the due process is on to make it functional. But however, due to certain observation from the AICTE, we are not able to function immediately. But however, because observation from the AICTE is they should have a separate administrative wing building. So we are coming up with a separate administrative building now. So we hope that this school, the College of Engineering Shillong, will function at the earliest. We are working on to make it functional. Civil engineering, the computer science, mechanical, and mining, and civil, the mining, mechanical, electrical, and computer science. All these 5 departments. So mining is something that will be the unique and which is the need of for the hilly state like us. So I think having the mining engineering course will definitely help us in balancing the environment impact due to coming in from all developmental activities that are coming in. State reservation policy should be applied because this is being sponsored by the state government, right?